Have you ever wondered if the medicine of tomorrow could be designed just for you, faster and more effectively than ever before? What if we could predict and prevent diseases before they even start? Well, the future is closer than you think, and by 2026, the world of prescription drugs is set for a revolution. Think about the last time a loved one was sick. You remember that feeling of wanting to do anything to help them get better, that hope for a breakthrough, a cure. For generations, that hope has been the driving force behind medical science. Today, that hope is being supercharged by one of the most powerful tools humanity has ever created: artificial intelligence. Let's step back for a moment. Traditionally, discovering a new drug is an incredibly long and expensive journey. Scientists would have to manually test thousands, sometimes millions, of chemical compounds to find just one that might work. It's like searching for a single specific grain of sand on an entire beach. This process can take over a decade and cost billions of dollars. Many promising ideas never even make it to patients because of the sheer cost and time involved. It's a slow, painstaking process that has served us well, but it's reaching its limits. Now imagine having a super-intelligent assistant that can analyze that entire beach in a matter of hours. That's essentially what AI and machine learning are doing for drug discovery. Instead of manual trial and error, AI algorithms can sift through massive databases of biological information, genetic data, and chemical structures at speeds unimaginable for a human. They can identify patterns and connections that we might miss, pointing scientists directly to the most promising compounds. So what does this actually mean for you and me by 2026? It means we're entering an era of hyper-personalized medicine. Your unique genetic makeup, your lifestyle, and your specific health data can all be fed into an AI model. The result? A treatment plan and even medications designed specifically for your body. Imagine a cancer treatment that targets only the cancerous cells, leaving healthy ones untouched, minimizing those grueling side effects. Or a medication for a chronic condition like diabetes or heart disease that's calibrated perfectly to your metabolism. This isn't science fiction, it's the tangible future that AI is building. Dr. Evelyn Reed, a leading researcher in computational biology, puts it this way: we're moving from a one-size-fits-all approach to a one-size-fits-one. AI allows us to understand the complexity of an individual's disease in a way we never could before. It's a paradigm shift that will save lives and improve the quality of life for millions. This technology is already showing incredible results. AI has helped researchers identify potential treatments for diseases like ALS and has dramatically sped up the development of new antibiotics to fight drug-resistant superbugs. By 2026, we expect to see the first wave of AI-discovered drugs completing clinical trials and becoming available to patients. These won't just be slightly better versions of old drugs. They could be entirely new classes of medicine that tackle diseases in ways we've never seen before. Think about rare diseases, those that affect only a small number of people. In the past, it was rarely profitable for pharmaceutical companies to invest in research for these conditions. But with AI, the cost and time of discovery are drastically reduced, making it possible to develop treatments for these once-neglected patient communities. This brings hope to countless families who have been waiting for a breakthrough. Let's meet Sarah, a mother whose son was diagnosed with a rare genetic disorder. For years, they navigated a world of uncertainty, with no specific treatment available. She shared with us, "You feel so helpless. You read every article, you talk to every doctor, but the answer is always, we don't know enough." But now, with new research accelerated by AI, there's a real, tangible hope on the horizon. For the first time, we feel like we're not just waiting, we're moving towards a solution. Stories like Sarah's are becoming more common as this technology empowers researchers to tackle the toughest medical challenges. Beyond just creating new drugs, AI is also revolutionizing how we use existing ones. This is called drug repurposing. AI can scan data on thousands of approved drugs and identify new uses for them. A drug approved for arthritis, for example, might have a molecular structure that could be effective against Alzheimer's. This is a much faster and safer route to new treatments because these drugs have already been tested for safety in humans. By 2026, you can expect to see your doctor prescribing familiar medications for entirely new purposes, all thanks to the insights provided by AI. This transformation also means a future focused on prevention. AI models can analyze health data from millions of people to identify early risk factors for diseases like heart attacks or certain cancers. Imagine getting a notification from your doctor years before you would have shown any symptoms, with a personalized plan to prevent the disease from ever developing. This shifts the focus from treating sickness to maintaining wellness, a fundamental change in how we approach healthcare. The road ahead is not without its challenges, of course. We need to ensure that the data used to train these AI models is diverse and represents all populations to avoid bias. We also need to navigate complex ethical and regulatory questions, but the collaboration between scientists, doctors, and tech innovators is stronger than ever, all working together to ensure this technology is developed responsibly and for the benefit of all. The future of medicine is bright, intelligent, and incredibly personal. By 2026, the prescription you receive might not just be a pill in a bottle, it could be a piece of code, a data-driven solution tailored precisely to you. It represents a new dawn of hope, a future where diseases are understood better, treated faster, and maybe even prevented altogether. The revolution is already underway. Thank you so much for joining me on this journey into the future of medicine. If you found this information hopeful and exciting, please give this video a thumbs up and share it with someone you care about. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you won't miss our next video exploring the cutting edge of science and technology. We'll see you in the next one.